Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And if you hear any noise, Jonathan is up and he is fully beside me. So the very first color that I'll be going in with is burnt orange. Yeah, and I'm using the brush that comes with the palette, and I'm putting that in my crease. And as you can tell, I'm putting it all over my crease. So as you can see, it's just depositing a little bit of color, but not a lot. Jonathan, kiss. Alright, then next I'm going to be going in with red ochre or red ochre, and I'm putting this, focusing this on the outside. Notice I'm not going on the inside, I'm just keeping the red on the outside. Jonathan, then I'm going to take what you guys know he's going for, right? Jonathan, there are laws in the US about this kind of thing. Okay, bubbles. Alright, so then I'm going to be taking Realgar or Realgar, I don't know, and I'm going to put that right above red ochre. So I'm tapping a little bit. These colors are surprisingly hella pigmented. I shouldn't be surprised. I really should not be surprised. These colors are very pigmented. Alright, so I'm going to be working on my lid color now. I'm not quite sure what I want to use. I think I'm going with Primavera. Alright. I mean, wow. Wow. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Alright, so Primavera is treating me very good right now. And it's the eyeshadows are very buttery. The formula on these are extremely nice. Be careful with Primavera though, because I'm creating a dent, or that could just be me. Notice I'm leaving a little space out because I think I want to add another color. If you hear a little whirring sound, I have the fan on because it's kind of hot today. Alright, okay, I'm going to go back in with the Anastasia brush that comes with it, and I'm going to be taking raw Cienna, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. So they're very pigmented, so please be careful. Alright, then I'm going to be going in with Tempera right on the high points, because the raw Cienna looked a little bit too brown. Right, that's nice, that's very nice. Flipping back over to the brush, and I'm just going to blend out lightly, just using it to barely touch, just to blend out. Then I'm going to be taking Realgar again. I'm going to be putting it on the inside here. Using the same brush. Then I'm going to be going in with Venetian Red. Focusing that in the crease. This palette has a lot of reds. Venetian Red again. Then I'm going with Love Letter. It's like a pinky reddish color, and I'm just building up the red so that you can tell the difference, that this is orange and this is red. Again with Love Letter on the outside. I don't see a dark color in this, which is, ooh, there is Cyprus Umber. Alright, so I'm going to be grabbing this e.l.f. contour brush, and I'm going to be taking Cyprus Umber and focusing it right on the lower part of my crease, because I want to add some depth to this look, just on the outside. So I'm focusing it on the crease and then kind of flicking it up a bit. I mean, I'm doing a lot and you don't have to, it's just that I'm not quite sure what I'm doing as per usual. So I'm just adding to see what I like, what I don't like, flicking up a little bit to kind of blend that color. Then I'm going to be taking the same brush, just blend off a little bit, and I'm going to go back into burnt orange, and I'm going to be using that to blend on top. So I just pat burnt orange twice, then I'm barely touching it on top there, just to blend out the lines. No, do I have I should have an eyeliner. I don't care where it is. So I'm going to be taking this black eyeliner pencil now. This is by, I don't know, something professional, I don't know the name of that. And I'm going to be lining my waterline, and I'm going to be going on my lash line as well. Then I'm going to be drawing a line from the corner here and attach it. Alright, so then I'm taking my level 11, and this is what I used to do my brows. And I'm getting, this is a Sephora brush. It's a dual-ended brush. It has the angled and then the regular on this side. And I got it in a palette, I believe. And I'm just going to use this to clean up this area. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking Primavera, putting it right here. Then I'm going to be going in with this small brush and blending out underneath. Then I'm going to go back in with my black eyeliner pencil. So I'm just putting on my black eyeliner right here, just reinforcing the colors. I couldn't find my liquid liner, which was a bummer, but it can still do the look with a black eyeliner as I'm showcasing here. So that's all I'm doing, and I'm extending the wing out in the corner, in the outer corner as well as the inner corner, as you can see. So for my lips, I'm wearing LA Colors Smooth Plum. I'm wearing LA Colors Smooth Plum, and that's for the lip liner. And the lipstick, it is Wet and Wild, and it is called Think Pink. So for my glow, I'm going to be wearing my Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick. And this is the entire look, you guys. Thank you so much for sticking through to the end. The lashes are Fashionista by my line, Pomi by Lyric, and you can shop at pomibylyric.com. I truly appreciate you guys. I love you, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Big up yourself.